cha Igbo kwenu agadi nwanyị ada akanka na-egwu ọmara tata anyị abịakwala ọzọ n'oge Uncle Eze n'episode 13 episode 13 na agba nke 13 gee ntị ka iwere okwu ya ọzọ. Ịna-anya tata anyị nwere ọmarịcha isiokwu. Chetakwa na a ga na-asụ bekee na-asụ Igbo maka na anyị chọkwa onye na-amara asụ Igbo mụta ka esi asụ. Ọkwa ka ọ ga-esi mụta ka esi asụ ọ bụrụ na okpuru ụzọ ghọta ya na bekee. I will be using both English and Igbo to be able to communicate to those that are very difficult to understand Igbo. There's no way you can understand Igbo if you don't know what the word is talking about. Looking at this, number one, we have follow me. Follow me. Follow me. In Igbo translation of follow me, sorom. Sorom. Follow me. Sorom. Number two, give me. Give me. Give me. In Igbo, nyem. 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 Three, call me. Call me. Call me. In Igbo translation of call me, omu. Omu. Number four, teach me. Teach me as I'm teaching you now. Teach me as I'm teaching you now. In Igbo translation, kuzierem. Kuzierem. Number five, show me. Show me. Show me. The Igbo translation of show me, gosim. Gosim. Number six, help me. Help me. The Igbo translation of help me, nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. Number seven, look at me. 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 In Igbo, lem anya. Lem anya. Number eight, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. In Igbo translation, gwam. 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 Number nine, bring it for me. Bring it for me. In Igbo translation of bring it for me, wetaram iha. Wetaram iha. Number 10, listen to me. Listen to me. The translation, Igbo translation of listen to me. Gemonte. 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 Number 11, wait for me. Wait for me. The Igbo translation of wait for me is cherem. 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 Looking at this little exercise we've just had now, you would believe with me that it's necessary, very necessary, to go back to episode 1, 2, 3 again of this very Uncle Eze channel, especially on YouTube, and also follow Uncle Eze on Facebook, in order to learn your ABCD, your vowels, your consonants. It will help you. Starting from the scratch, it will help you, enable you to understand how to write your Igbo without even looking at the board. So that whatever you see, you'll be able to translate. Trust me, Igbo is as sweet as anything. Igbo amaka. Na asu Igbo, maka na asu swine. Igbo, the number nine, onwego obodo eje taa, ena manfunata onye Igbo. Igbo de no wanine, Igbos are everywhere. There is a need for you to understand how to translate every given word. If you want to talk to your daddy over there in States, you want to talk to your daddy over there in UK, don't say daddy follow me, you can say daddy follow me. When I say, Daddy, give me money, give me pen, use your mother language, your L1, L2. Say, Daddy, nyem ego, Daddy, nyem akwụkwọ, Daddy, nyem aqua, Daddy, nyem nni. When I say, Daddy, call me, it's Daddy, you say, Daddy, bomb, Daddy, bomb, Daddy, bomb. You want to say, Daddy, teach me, or Mommy, teach me this. Say, Mom, kuzierem. Mommy, kuzierem means, Mommy, teach me. Mommy, kuzierem. You want to say to your friend, show me, let me see, show me. Go sim. You want to say to your brother, Mike, Chinenye, Obi, Uju. You want to say, help me. You say, Uju, Nyeremaka. Uju, Nyeremaka, marry me fat. Help me and do this for me. You want to say, look at me. You see, Emeka, Nehemiah, Emeka, look at me. Emeka, Nehemiah. You want to say, tell me. Maybe you want to talk to your sister, Chioma, tell me. You say, Chioma, Guam. Instead of saying, Chioma, tell me. In another man's language. You use your mother's tongue. Your mother's language, they say, Chioma, Nyeremaka. Chioma, Nehemiah. Chioma, Guam. Chioma, bring it for me. Chioma, wetara mi ha. Chioma, bring it for me. Chioma, wetara mi ha. Then listen to me, Obi. Obi, listen to me. Obi, Gemonte. Obi, wait for me. Instead of saying, Obi, wait for me, say, Obi, Cherem. Obi, Cherem, when you do all these things, you will be proud to say that you are from Igbo. Not just only Igbo people residing over there in States, UK, Germany, but even people that love our cultures. You need to learn all this. That will make you to enjoy us the more. Thank you once again for joining us. Next episode, I will unveil a whole lot of things. Ndibo, bye. Kemesiano.
Kaije na Igbo. Choya. Ayo. Onye na agba ife a. Ukuru egana. Paya, chovia. Sele